Changing your primary email on Sun Life is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sun Life website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard or under your account name. Step 3. Find email preferences. In account settings, look for the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You will likely receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the update. After completing these steps, your primary email on Sun Life should be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.